Right, here we are, final part of this video. We're going to get this one started here. So as you can see, the engine's in, pretty much done, only a couple of things left to do. So I'll just let you see how we got here, just a quick time lapse and bits, and then we'll come back and do the slightly more interesting stuff. So first up, we're going to tighten up that crank bolt. So we've got a homemade locking tool here. So just need to whiz it out, put some Loctite on, whiz it in. We're going to tighten it to 200 Newton meters plus 180 degrees, or as close as we can get it. It's supposed to be 458 Newton meters or 338 pound-feet, but 200 Newton meters plus 180. If we can get there, it's going to be what we're going to do. Right, so we didn't move to get to the 200, so a little Tool Pro torque wrench took it over there. We're still going to give it what we can with this, which won't be 180 degrees, I guarantee it. Right, that's tight enough for me. It's got plenty of Loctite. It's tighter than it was. Well, it's been for the last however many years, so it does it for me. Right, so I'm going to put some oil in. I've got a new oil cap. It's got plain old GTX 2050 just as for our first 1000 Ks. Oh, so I put 4 litres in, that should be pretty much on the money. Let's let that soak down to the bottom. Right, so going with genuine Audi G13. We have some deionized water too, so get it in there. That's all it wants at the moment, but yeah, there will be plenty of room in there for more coolant. Right, so oil's in, water's in, disconnected the ignition. It's going to put the key into the run, just make sure the fuel pump primes up and we've got no leaks, so I've reconnected stuff. And then we'll turn it over a bit, get some oil pressure, and try and start it. Sounds like we should have. Nothing's leaking there. Let's give it a crank. That's the problem. Alright, so just been doing some troubleshooting. Seems like our ground to the block's not fantastic for some reason. So just got a temporary one set up with these jump cables, just see if we can actually get it turning over. And we can fix it up later. Oh, yeah, go on then. Oh. Dies a long death.
I'll just turn that off. Ready and... Sorry, I'll just off to you. Right, ready?
Yep. So it runs really nicely. So as you saw, first attempt at starting, turn the key, nothing happened, because it turns out if you put too much paint on your engine block, it doesn't earth to the gearbox, because the only ground on this is on the gearbox, and that didn't work. So fix that up, then we turned it over without any spark plugs in. Span quite nicely, nothing much to say about that. And then started up properly, and the timing was all over the show. I kind of cocked that up a fair bit, but that's fine. Got that sorted, and then started up again and had a massive exhaust leak, even though I used a brand new gasket. One sec, hang on. Yeah, this new downpipe gasket just didn't seal, so I had to then take the starter out, drop the exhaust down, put the old one in with a load of exhaust cement, and that sealed it up nicely. Then it ran properly, and it sounded really good. Idles a lot better than it ever used to, probably because I've fixed up all the intake leaks from around the injectors and injector shrouds. And yeah, so I'm really happy. It runs, it doesn't smoke, runs up to temperature, fan kicks in, pretty happy with that. No water in oil in water, so we're looking okay so far. I need to just put the last few bits on the front, take it for a warrant, get it registered again, and I'll drive it for 1,000 kilometers or so, and then we'll do an oil change, have a look, tell you how it's going, and go from there. But I'm pretty happy with that. I've never rebuilt an engine before. Now I have. Add that to my list of stuff I've done. So yeah, there we go. Comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you when this is done a few Ks.